Thinking of you.
Hello kittens, welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry it's taken me so long to update another video. The reason why is because I was on a beautiful holiday in Spain and it costs so much money to use electronics, to use mobile data and everything, so it's taken me quite a while. But now I'm back home and we can start doing videos more often again. I'm so sorry it took so long, but anyways, I'm going to show you around. So there's a few new updates in Bloxburg. So the first one which I'm going to show you is down at the City Hall. So remember when you used to do those role plays with an RP mum and they take you to school and you're sitting in the City Hall, for hours, Bloxburg hours, and you're just so bored while they go and work. There is a new update in the City Hall which I have heard of, so we're going to go check this out. As well, there is other updates which I will show you very soon. So let's show you this update if it will let me out of the car. There we go. So let's have a look. Okay, so they've upgraded this bit. They've opened it up and put a library. So now they have little chairs, they have bookshelves. So it's really nice actually. So you can actually just do something. You can upgrade your reading skill while you're just waiting, instead of just sitting here in the middle for hours bored and not doing anything at all. So this is like a little study desk where you can sit with your mates or whatever, your classmates, and do loads of work. So I think this is a really cool update because obviously, as I keep repeating myself, you're not just sitting there for hours on end doing absolutely nothing. Anyways, we're going to head back to the house now and check out the updates over there. So I have updated my house. This is a part 3 of the update, of my house update. And there's obviously other updates that Bloxburg has incorporated, but this is what I have added to it. So if you know me very well, I am absolutely obsessed with Harry Styles. Yes, I am obsessed with his music, with everything. And I may have got a bit overload and a bit mad with everything that Bloxburg offers. So yeah. So I'm just going to wait for everything to load in because it's like, what the hell? It's taking so long to load in and it's just, it's a mess. Oh, I was about to turn on the lights. The lights are already on. So I've added this bit. This bit used to be the garage, but now it's, yeah, it's like a museum. But anyway, I've added a downstairs area. So in here, we have the bathroom. So as well as me adding another level to my house, the toilets have updated. And so have all the appliances. They've added toilet rolls finally, so you don't have to use shapes to like add it or whatever. They've added soap bottles and new dishes and everything, and toothpaste, which we'll check out afterwards. Also, as well as this, you can close the toilet lid. This is a really good update. Anyway, let's show you around before we go into the other bits. So this is a kids room, just like a toddler's room or whatever, that the kids can just chill and everything. And then next door, if we're doing an RP, this is my room because obviously it's Harry Styles, obsessed. But anyways, now let's head into build mode and have a look at the new toilet update. Let's quickly turn down this music because it's a pain. So the new things that we have, let's have a look over here at the back. We obviously have new bathroom products, which includes 2 soaps and a toothpaste. A bath roll here, which is really cool. Also, we have this wall towel here. It looks quite cute actually. I quite like that. As well as this, we have a wall hook for whatever. A wooden bath mat. I think this is really going to be cute and aesthetic for any builds that you do. Thus, we have a very luxury rack, which is very cool. We have a normal toilet paper stand, a luxury toilet paper stand, tons and tons of different soap dishes, an electric toothbrush finally, obviously the toilet rolls, and then for different types of toilets. So I'm going to place all these toilets down. Oh, this one needs to be against the wall, but we're going to get all the new toilets and have a look at the different ones. So as well as this is also a different update where appliances can get dirty. So we're going to test that out in a little bit. But so yeah, you can just use the toilet, whatever, and close the lid. This is the most expensive one, this marble one. It's like 1,000 bucks or whatever. But I think it's just really, really cool. Apparently with the toilets as well, they get dirty, as it is an appliance as well. So we're just going to delete these and check what toilet is the least, if I can figure what it is again. So this one has really good quality, so we're not going to use that. We need the lowest amount of quality, which would be this one here. So apparently if you use things over and over again, they get dirty. This is as well as ovens. So this is my oven. We're going to quickly take chicken nuggets. We're going to put it in the oven to cook. While we're doing that, we're going to go back outside. Oh, we can go out this way. Go outside. I'm just going to find a way to get out of here. Here we go. Now we're out. You can head over to the toilet. And if you can constantly use it again and again and again, and it will slowly but surely get dirty. I'm not sure how many times this takes, but yeah, it gets dirty once you've used it quite a few times. But now we're just going to wait for the oven, because apparently this oven is the cheapest oven, so that means that it will get dirty the quickest. But I will show you this in another video, as my iPad's running really, really low on battery. I'm going to charge it, edit my video, and then post it for you guys to see. Thank you so much for everyone that's watching. Thank you for the support and everything. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, kittens!